Are you looking for some awesome effects? Get access to thousands of exclusive premium effects, free effects as well, with their super affordable pro memberships. Click the link in the description.
What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. It's Wednesday, my dude, so that means a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create this amazing Marvel intro. So if you guys are excited for that tutorial, make sure to smash the like button down below and subscribe, and I will catch you guys obviously right after the intro. Alright guys, now that we are in Vegas Pro 15, we're gonna recreate this intro using a template. Now, I want to make this video on a template because it's going to be way more time consuming if you're gonna do this from scratch. If you want me to make this one from scratch, let me know by liking this video and also put it down in the comments. So the template we're gonna use today is made by my good friend Pro Edits that recreated this intro, and you guys can pick it up for real cheap. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it works, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna click the first link in the description that's gonna bring you to the page, which is this one. Right here it says Sony Vegas Marvel Inspired Intro Template by Pro Edits. And guys, don't worry, you can open this up with any version, even if it's Sony Vegas or Vegas Pro 14, 15, it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna click on buy and download, and then it's gonna bring you to PayPal. What you can do then really easy is just log in, and if you have, money on your PayPal, you can pay with your balance, and if you don't have money on your PayPal, but you have your account linked, your bank account, you can just check out that way. It's really, really easy. Okay, so now that we land on this page where you can actually, when the payment is completed, where you can actually download the file, right here it is the download link, so we're gonna go ahead and click on there. We're gonna click on Save As, and we're gonna extract this one to a folder. Okay, so right here, as you can see, this is the folder that we just downloaded. If you click on there, right here, we have the assets where we have like all the images that's gonna flash and everything. Very nice. We have a coming soon folder where he's gonna have his merchandise, as you can see, which looks very, very neat. And then we have the tutorial itself, as you can see, with all the videos and how to do that. And we're gonna open up this Vegas project with Vegas Pro 15. Okay, so once we open up the project, this is basically the entire file, like, just completed and all like that. So what we're gonna do is we can adjust these things. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the text. For example, we're gonna type in, "This is Marvel." So we're gonna go ahead and click on this guy, and we're gonna change the text. We're gonna click on the media generators button. Then we're gonna type in "this." As you can see, like that. Then we're gonna do that for the second one. We're gonna type in "is," so it says "this is." And then for the last one, we're gonna type in "Marvel." And we're gonna type in "Marvel" just like that. But as you can see, it's a little bit too big, so we're gonna double click on it and select it, and we're gonna put that one to, for example, 95. That looks a little bit better. So this is basically what we have already. So we can change this guy up, for example, and we're going to type in epic. So it says epic intro template. So we're going to type in epic, as you can see, and you can change that text to whatever you want. You can type in your channel or any other words that you want to have filled in. I just typed in epic, but you can change your name, for example, to JustAlexHalford, but it's a little bit too long, so I'm going to, change the size up a bit. I think 50 or maybe 60, as you can see. This looks really nice, so this is the end result. So guys, that's how to do it. Thank you for the continued support. Show Pro Edit some love by subscribing to his channel and pick up this template for real cheap. That really supports us. And guys, that's how to do it. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a brand new channel review episode, as always on Thursday. And then on Friday, a brand new Vegas 15 tutorial, as always on the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys, obviously, in tomorrow's video.